the experience to show employers that you are the best candidate for the job, okay, and how to get started, okay. So who are we basically? Who are we? Who are we? We are Teralytics, okay. So we are a leading EdTech. EdTech means educational technology, okay. We are a leading EdTech firm focused on helping people land high-paying jobs in the tech ecosystem. Now, a lot of us will know this. One of the best way to make money now in the system, in the world right now, is through tech. Okay, and this is one of the advantages of tech. You don't need to, in fact, with tech, you don't even need to. Maybe you need to get one particular, say, university degree from a particular country before you work there. Tech is one of the few ones that allow you. Maybe tech and medicine. Okay, tech and medicine are one of the few places where they don't really need you to be educated in that country before you can work there. Okay, so we're actually based in Alberta, Canada. Okay, and also we are headquartered in Alberta, Canada, and also we have another major headquarters in the UK. That's London. And in 5 years, we have helped over 4,000 people. In fact, most of them have no experience with tech. No experience with tech. Most of them most of them we have helped, they have no experience, no tech experience at all. Okay, and we have helped them to transition into tech and land jobs. Okay, we've helped them to do that. Okay, we have a lot of industry experts, we have full-time employees. And what are the courses we are helping you transition into? We are helping you transition into generative AI data analyst. We are helping you transition into AI automation engineers, which I am one. We are helping you transition into data analyst, health tech analyst, business analyst, data engineers, data scientists, financial analyst, AHR analyst, project management, agile PM, cybersecurity analysts, DevOps engineers, and product designs. Okay, product design. I'll get to that very soon. Don't worry, I'll get to that. Someone is asking me a question. That what is the work of an AI automation engineer? Don't worry, I'll get to that. Okay. So quickly, this is me. Okay, so my name is Ojo Caleb. So let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Ojo Caleb. Okay, so I have over 7 years experience in the tech industry. Okay, I'm a data analyst, I'm a data scientist. Like I said before, I'm an AI engineer. Okay, and I'm also an AI automation engineer. Okay, so I've built a lot of end-to-end machine ML products from conception to deployment, and also, okay, I've deployed a lot of AI workflows, okay, to operationalize and streamline AI solutions. Okay, so I've also been a tech tutor for a long time. Okay, I've helped a lot. I cannot even count. I still have students that I still mentor. They're already working. Okay, they're already doing well. They are in their field, and I still mentor them. I still coach them. They still bring problems to me. In fact, sometimes we work together on projects over the years. Okay, so that is that about myself. So the question I want to ask you now, I think this is the question I want to ask. Okay, will AI replace you or take your job? Just type a yes or no in the chat. Just type a yes or no. That's what I need. Oh, okay, 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 okay. So, Ariwa said no. Olani said no. Basi said no. Okay. So, what do you? So, I still need answers from others. I still need answers. Do you believe AI will replace you or take your job? If you believe so, let me see answers. Please, I want us to. And while you are giving me answers, you will see this session is actually being recorded. This session is actually being recorded. Okay, so if you want the recording of the session, okay, If you want the recording of the session and you want the material used to be sent to you, please fill in the attendance form, okay? Please fill in the attendance form. Please fill in the attendance form, okay? So Damlari said, not exactly. Damlari is saying not exactly. Damlari is saying not exactly. Damlari is saying not exactly. So who else? Who else? Basi said no. Not only the person with AI skills. Oh, the person with AI skills will replace the person. Okay. So I get also where you are coming from. I get where you are coming from also. Arewa. So who else? Who else? I still need answers. 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 Please, I need answers in the chat. Okay? I need answers in the chat. I need answers in the chat. Okay? So do you believe AI will replace you or take your job? Okay? Now, the answer is yes. Either you like it or not, there are some jobs AI will replace. That's the simple truth. There are some that it will replace. That's the funniest thing. Okay, but there are a few. Okay, it's not all the old jobs that AI will replace. Okay, there are some jobs AI will replace, either you like it or not. But funny enough is that the AI that is replacing will also create jobs. If you agree with me, give me a thumbs up. As AI is replacing some people, as it is taking some jobs, it will also create some jobs. Do you agree with that? As AI is taking some jobs, it also creates some jobs. Absolutely. So what do you want to do? You want to position yourself into the place where you now become someone that the AI is creating a job for. Guys, are you with me? Do you get me? Do you get that scenario? So you don't want to be someone that AI is taking his or her job. You want to be someone that AI is creating a job for. You understand? Very good. Yes, AI, and it will lead me to this. Okay? Because now we said AI won't take your job, but someone who knows AI will definitely take your job. But either you like it or not, AI will replace some jobs. Let me give you a typical example. If you have 10 customer care agents, I want to ask this example, just give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you have 10 customer care agents, and I come as an AI automation engineer, okay? I come as an AI automation engineer, and I build an AI automation, maybe two or three AI automation workflows with you. That basically they will answer call and they will pick calls and answer smartly. They can answer chat smartly. Won't you scale down on the number of customer service agents you have? Just give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. You will scale down the number of customer service agents you have. Okay, so that is why we are saying, either I like it or not, AI will make some jobs redundant. Okay, yes, they are here to assist you, but also don't forget, they will cut down the number of manual labor. Are you guys with me, please? If you are with me, give me a thumbs up. They will cut down the number of what? Manual labor. So now, because instead of you having now 5 customer care agents, you only have 2. Okay? You have to, don't forget, those customer care agents only work maybe 8 to 5. Your own AI agent is working 24/7. So you can have a global market. Someone from China can call you. Don't forget, China is about 9 hours ahead of us. Someone from China can call you, okay? Call your AI agents and make every bookings that the person wants. Someone from US can do the same to you here, if you're in Nigeria. If you're in South Africa, someone from Brazil can call you and book it. Get whatever they want from you. So it's not so that you're not losing customers, okay? So it's only once in a while that the AI agent will be set such a way that it will transfer to another agent, okay? But before it will transfer to another agent, that means your case your case will be very, very serious. Okay, because almost every possible scenarios would have been coded into it. Okay. Now, like we said, AI will not take your job, but if you take some jobs, either we like it or not, that's the truth. It's going to take some jobs. Okay. It's going to reduce the need for manual labor in some jobs. Okay. But one thing is that, like I said, it's going to create jobs. So you want to be part of those that AI will be creating jobs for. If you want to be part of those AI will be creating jobs for, please, I need your thumbs up. I need a thumbs up from you. I need a thumbs up. You want to be part of those that AI will be creating jobs for, I need thumbs up from you. That is one thing you want to do. Now, let me come to this guy. This is Olusegun, a friend of ours, an ex-student, okay? And we still call him a part of us. You understand? Because either you come, even when you finish with us, you are still part of us because there's continuous guidance. Now, he was an operations manager for a logistics company in Nigeria. This is his CV. So it's not like maybe this is his official, this is his CV. This is his CV. You can see. He joined us in November and completed his program in January. And in that same January, he landed a remote job with a Canadian firm called Amdari. He's here in Nigeria. He didn't leave Nigeria. He did not leave Nigeria. He did not. He works as an AI automation engineer. And now, don't forget, he has set up his own AI studio. So as he's working for those ones, in those 3 months he has worked between January, February, March, he has gained so much experience that he went to open his own and he wants to apply that experience of what they are doing there to bring it to the Nigerian market. Because the Nigerian market is more like a virgin land when it comes to AI. When it comes to data, when it comes to AI, the Nigerian market is more like a virgin land. And that's why. How many of you, and I think I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something. If I search AI automation engineer now on LinkedIn, how many of us have a LinkedIn account? You have LinkedIn accounts. You have LinkedIn accounts. If you go now, I want you to go to your LinkedIn. Otherwise, you need to open a LinkedIn account. If you go to your LinkedIn account and type AI automation engineer, if you type it, you will see very, very few jobs. Not just only in Nigeria, globally. So for you to know that it's not something, it's something recent. So there is still a lot of, in fact, do you know, we had a student that because he trained with us, he joined us, he trained with us, his company had to come and meet us so that we can train others in their company. We've had people that they train here, they go to their company, they apply it, and the company usually pays for their training. They paid for their training, they got promoted because of what they are doing. And those are the things. So I don't want to go around, I don't want to go around. So how did he land a remote job? How did he land a remote job in Canada within 2 months? Number one, he learned AI demand skills that is eligible for remote job opportunities. Tech generally is usually eligible for remote job opportunities. But AI automation is newer, okay? It is newer. So those that can do it are not much, okay? In fact, some companies don't really know that they need them until they see people or they see some of their employees come to start applying it and improving their business. That's when they know that they should use it. Okay? So he learned AI demand skill that is eligible for remote job opportunities. Now, you can start today. Okay? You can learn AI automation engineering because with AI automation engineering, maybe I'm going to do this so that we can see what with AI automation engineering. Let me explain this, and I'm going to show you something. Okay? You know, I said as a side hustle. So if you get a remote job, you can even continue the one you are still doing and add this to it. And funny enough, AI automation engineering pay most likely will be higher than what you are earning. Okay, especially when it's remote. Imagine you being paid like 2000, 2005 remotely. So most likely you might probably leave what you're doing. That's the truth. Now, what do we do in AI automation engineering? Number one, we demystify AI for automation. That's the first thing we do. We demystify it. At the end of the program, you'll be able to demystify AI for automation. Then you'll be able to build custom automation. And what do those things do? See, you'll be able to set up AI agents that handle things like customer support, track operations, or generate reports without manual handoffs. We can do way more with this, with N8N and Zapier, way more than this. These are just a bit. This is a tiny bit of what it can do. Okay? See, connect AI to your live data and AI workflow to your live data so that you can integrate LLMs. Now, when you hear LLMs, it's things like ChatGPT and Gemini and whatever, with your actual data source. Okay? Another thing you can do, you can use it for content creation. Yes, you can use it for content creation. So maybe in case you are a content creator, you want to go into content creation. Yes, people that do content creation make a lot of money. They make money, yes. They make money depending on the quality of what you're giving out. Now, it's not only jokes, okay? There are people that have blogs. Do you know how much it will take you to go and if you want to look for, please, how many people know some of the, apart from Linda Ikeji, which other blog do you know that is common? You can type it in the chat. Maybe blog, like a content creation page. I know that is popular. Who else? Who here knows? Maybe okay, Beast Loaded. Okay, Oriental Good. Now, look at those companies. So imagine you being the one generating blog posts for them. Or let's say you even have yours. Okay, so let's say you even have yours. You have your own, okay, and you are auto-generating quality blog posts. Okay. Those are things that you can do, you can automate. You can automate emails, you can automate videos. And that same video, you will post it on several platforms at the same time, instead of you posting one at a time. You will create videos, you put in all the necessary information you need to create the video. It creates the video for you, you see the video, and automatically sends it out to the needed interfaces. So you can automate content creation at scale. Okay, at scale. You can automate content creation at scale. Then you can also launch and manage AI systems with confidence. Okay, you can launch and manage AI system with confidence. So here you learn how to deploy and monitor AI automation in live environments, ensuring reliability and ongoing performance. And now what do? We just do, well, if you join us, it's just 2 months. Okay, 2 months. 6 weeks of learning in class and 2 weeks of capstone projects. 2 months. In 2 months, you are good to go. Saturday classes 10 to 1. That's all. And Sunday, there are videos on our learning management system that you use. Very easy, easy peasy. Then what is the second thing he did? He learned the skill the right way. Okay. And how did he learn the skill? You learn in a project-based environment. Okay. All the projects we are doing in practice, in learning, are real-life scenarios. And you can have a portfolio because we also help you build a portfolio. We show you how to build a portfolio. Let me come. I think some people might not know, might have not have seen. Let me show you a typical portfolio that we have. Okay, that I have. I have a portfolio somewhere here. Okay, so this is a simple portfolio. Let me show you this. This is a simple portfolio. Can you see this? So people don't need People don't need to even come and call you. They can see what you have done. Because either you like it or not, whatever you build, you must be able to display it. That's the truth. Whatever you build, you must be, because that's one of the problems with people who learn. Some people go and learn tech, but they don't have portfolios. People can't see what you have done. People you can do. So downloads that might be your network. Okay. This is it. These are my projects. This is a sample workflow actually. This is for AI engineering. This is for AI automation. Okay, you can see. So people can click, people can just go and go through this resume and contact. You can look at your resume, you can see, and get your contact information. So without even needing to, you know, sometimes when people are trying to reach out to you, you can see my screen. I can see my screen on my other device. So I'm using 2 devices. I can see my screen. If you can see my screen, please give me a thumbs up, please. Okay, so I think that might be your network, please. Okay. Now, this is my portfolio. This is what my portfolio. I have another one again. I have another one. Let me paste that one here so that I can see that one. I have another portfolio. This is another portfolio. This is another portfolio. Look at this. So people don't need to call me. People don't need to call. They just need to look at. So after people have gone through this, if they are now reaching out to me, want to discuss business, what do they want me to build for them? That is one of the things that we will do for you. So what do you think about the portfolio? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Just give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. What do you think about it? So that is a typical portfolio. So these are things that we are going to be helping you with. Now, he has it. He learned in the right environment. He learned in the right environment. Okay. He learned in the right environment and he was able to showcase what he has done. Now, what else? Okay, so that is all it is. So basically, this is we are accredited in the UK, in North America. I think I've spoken about this briefly. I'm just trying to show you just so that you can see. Okay, so we are not just here to just give you bamboozle and whatever. No. Okay. Then we help you gain foreign work experience, okay, to show employers that you are the best candidate. And how did Olusegun gain that foreign work experience? Class projects and portfolio evidence. That's all. Either you like it or not. Either you like it or not. No matter how good you are, if people can't see that you are good, there is no point. Do you agree with me? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Do you agree with me? No matter how good you are, if people don't see that you are good. So that's one of the major differences that people don't know. You understand? Like in a lot of other tech institutions, one of the problems that they don't follow through is employability. Okay? Yes, you have learned. Where are you showcasing what you have learned? Okay? How are you showcasing it? And that's why we also do LinkedIn optimization. LinkedIn is actually like the social media for jobs and for gigs, for professional gigs. Yes. I've gotten gigs through LinkedIn, not jobs now, like just projects, side projects. Another thing we are still going to take you through is how to use freelance websites. We're going to take you through that. Okay, so that is where we talk about know where and how to apply for jobs. Okay, job boards. They are going to show you several job boards, and apart from that, we're also going to be showing you how to use freelance job boards, such as freelancer.com, Fiverr, and majorly Upwork. Okay, and also we give you a reference. Yes, that is normal. We're going to be giving you a reference. We're going to be giving you a reference for the job, for you to keep the job. Okay, but that's not where I'm going to. I want to show you something. I want to show us something. I want to show us something. Let me go to Upwork. Okay, I want to go to Upwork and show us something so that I can see, maybe you can see what the average job looks like for AI automation engineering. Okay, we can show you what it looks like for AI automation engineering. Oh, I can't get into this. Let me just give me a moment. Okay. I'll see if I would need to log in. If I can't, we'll just move on. I was logged in before. Okay. So let me see if I can. Oh, so give me a moment. Let me share Upwork so that we can see this. Now look at, when I go to Upwork and I click on hire talent, you can see AI and automation. That's the number one thing. That is the number one thing. AI and what? And automation. AI and what? Automation. So let me come to N8N expert. Okay. Let me go to find work. AI and automation. I want to go to find work, AI and automation, and let's look at what we can see with AI and automation. Look at this one, $100. You can see them, $75, $1,000, fixed price, $1,000. You can see AI automation specialist. This is an IT automation specialist. You can see automation specialist contract, $100. You can see you are seeing prices, several prices. Expert, this is not sure. This is $50. Maybe I should filter it and pick by what they are offering. Let me see if I can filter it, or let me just check more jobs. So look at 1,000, less than 30 hours a week, and they're going to be paying you N8N automation builder, AI automation sales. So these are freelance jobs. Cloud code experts, you can see AI automation specialist for recruitment. So you can see, and there are more and more and more. If I go to see more, I see everything around the job and thereabout. So you can do all of that with Upwork. Okay, you can get jobs by the side. These are side jobs. These are what? These are side jobs. So I think the question I want to ask is, how many of us are looking at that and saying, and we are licking our lips? You are looking at that and you are licking your lips that I should just collect like maybe one or two of these ones. You understand? Maybe an extra $200 there, an extra $300 there, an extra $500 there. How many of us are really interested in that? That's by the side, though. It might not even be the main one that you are. It might not be the main one you're working on. It might just be a side project. You understand? So those are some of the things that you can get. You can get a full-time. You can get a side job. Okay? You can get a full-time. You can get a side job. So this is one of a typical example. This one we give someone for NHS. Okay, so you can see these are these things that we're given reference letter. But so now let me leave that out. The first thing is what? How do we help you land the job? And I think I've spoken about all of this before. Okay, you learn, which is normal. You learn how to automate, like for AI automation engineering, you learn how to automate, you learn how to build workflows, you learn everything you need. Okay, You also gain experience because as you're learning, you're building live projects that go live. Okay. So what else? Yes, we're going to revamp. We're going to do a CV revamp. That is top notch. Then that LinkedIn optimization. People don't know the importance. I'm surprised that a lot of people don't know the importance of LinkedIn. LinkedIn optimization is very, very, very paramount. Then I think I've spoken about portfolio already. You've seen portfolio. Then we do mentorship sessions. These are sessions where we train you on how to go for interviews, how to apply for jobs, what to do in an interview session, how to negotiate for salary, where and when. Okay, where do you do that? Then we have interview prep. Okay, we have interview preparation that once you've gotten to that place, once you've gotten to that session, once you've gotten that interview, then we have an interview preparation for you. Okay, so also, like I said, we show you where and how to apply. Okay, so I think one of the questions I want to ask us right now is, are you comfortable where you are right now? Or do you want to do more? I just want to know. You can type yes or no in the chat. You can give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you are willing to do more, to grow more. if you are willing to do more or grow more, okay. The truth is that you can never be comfortable in one place. Okay, you can ever be comfortable in one place. You have to, especially in the text. See, either I like it or not, the world has gone digital. A lot of things are digital. Okay, that's why you need a tech skill. And like I said, the advantage of having a tech skill is that you become a global citizen. You become a what? A global citizen. So, what are we saying? The fastest way to start an AI automation side also is to build, okay, to pitch, and to do what? To scale. Build is where we train you. Okay, build is where we train you. Okay, and we also train you how to pitch and also how to scale. You can do that without even writing a single line of code. A typical example with Zapier workflow. You just do drag and drop. And you've already built a workflow that automates systems. Okay? You've already built a workflow that automates systems. So you can see traditional versus AI automation agency. So that for you to know that a lot of people are shifting towards this. Okay? See, manual entry. Just see, everything is just, it looks somehow. Guys, look at this left-hand side, this traditional side. It looks all over the place, you know, recurring, slow delivery, you can see. Overhead, and I think I was talking about this one. Overhead. Because now, instead of you, when I was speaking about customer service, instead of you employing 5 people, you can just employ only 2 people and allow AI to do the rest. You can employ only 2 people and allow AI to undo the rest of the workload. In fact, those 2 people will be enjoying because AI will just be taking calls, doing everything. So it's only once in a while that they will be able to work it. That's the truth, depending on the size of the company. So with that, you have a lower overhead, okay? A lower overhead. And you don't need to start building branch everywhere. Sometimes people can just reach out from the comfort of their home. But with an AI automation, look at it. Instant requests, the AI processes and it is linear, sharp, scaling is fast, it doesn't waste time. And this is what a lot of people want. See, they said by 2033, the global automation as a service market is accelerating towards 64 billion. Is accelerating towards 64 billion. This is money that you don't eat out of this money. I think, wait, this is the first question I want to ask people. Do you want to give me a thumbs up or thumbs down? Do you want to be part of this AI boom? Because I think that's one of the first things people we need to ask people. So that it doesn't look like we are just wasting our time here. And this is the issue with AI, this thing. This is the issue with AI boom and tech. They don't care which country you are from. They don't care which country you are. They are not even interested. They don't know. They don't care. Can you do it? That's the question. Can you build something for us that will work? I've done it. See, I've built things with companies in the US, companies in the UK, with companies in Canada, companies in the Caribbean. So it's nothing new. It's nothing new. Okay. That my portfolio you are seeing, there are some projects there that because of those projects, that's why I got some jobs. So it's nothing new. Most of them are even on contracts. I do what I do, I get my money and I move on. You understand? So that is it. You don't want to be left behind. Okay? You don't want to be left behind. And this is the funniest thing about AI automation engineering. Even when you build it for them, let's say you built a project for someone, you still be the one maintaining it. So that means you are still making more money every month. You are the one maintaining it. We call it the retainer phase. You are the one maintaining it. You'll be making money. So you make money for building, you make money for maintaining. You can even build a workflow and sell. You can build a workflow and you sell it. People will still pay. So you can make money at every interval. Okay? You can make money at every interval. Both freelancing on contract or full-time. And this is the advantage again. You can be working full-time for someone, as an automation engineer in a firm, and you'll be collecting side contracts by the side. So you are not restricted to where I must come to the office, you must not build this. No. You build your company's own, you build the external business own. And when you scale up to a point, you can open your own firm. Okay? You can open your own firm. So you can see, what are you automating? Internal backend workflows, customer-facing chat and voice. I spoke about that in customer service. Okay? And you can also automate LLMs. So when you LLMs is all this ChatGPT, Claude Code, what's his name? Gemini and thereabouts. Okay, so you can automate that. So I don't want us to do this. So let me look at, just give me a moment. Give me a moment. I want to open one of my projects. So that I can even see it. So it doesn't look like I'm just saying this thing for saying sake. Okay? I don't want it to look like I'm just saying this thing for saying sake. Let's even see what he has done. Okay? Let's see what he has done. Let's see what he has done. So that it does not even look like it's just showing us this. Oh yeah, what have you done? Okay, that is what. Let me show you something. Let me just show you something, and you look at how it works. Okay. You will look at how it works. You will look at how it works. Okay, so now I will show a typical simple workflow. Let me share my screen. Let me show you that. So that it doesn't look like we are just, he has just been talking since. We've not seen anything. Blah, 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 blah. This is a typical workflow. Now, who can in the chat, who can tell me, who can suggest? You can suggest what this automates. If you can suggest what this automates. Someone should suggest. You can suggest what this automates in the chat box. You are looking at it like this. Suggest what this automates. I want someone to suggest what this automates. You can type it in the chat box. Not just LLM, not just LLM. No, just look at it. Look at what you are seeing there, and you can just tell us what this thing, what you think is automating. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. If you know you want to try, raise a hand. I will allow you to speak. You can raise a hand. I'll just quickly allow you speak. Raise a hand. Someone said, like a Google Calendar reminder. Okay. Okay. Who else? Is there nobody that can just think of this? You are seeing a calendar, you are seeing Gmail. What do you think the AI agent will be doing? You can just raise a hand. Okay. So because of our time, let me quickly run through this. Okay. Basically, the AI agent basically here is, this is a simple one. This is like the simplest of the simplest. Okay. What this one is doing is it fixes up a meeting time, okay, and sends an email to notify about that meeting. And you are chatting with it. It's not like you are even, it's not like you are doing anything manually. You are chatting with it. You can chat with it with this workflow from anywhere in the world once it is published. Okay, so look at it. Let me open the chat. I want you to see this. This is something simple. I can do with Telegram. I have WhatsApp. I have a lot of the other workflows here. So let me just tell it okay, you can see I am a demo bot that can create a Google Calendar event or send a Gmail message. Okay, so let me tell it, create an event for Thursday. Thursday is 4th June 2026, and send a Gmail to, let me see, I think I have one of my, this thing. Okay, send a Gmail to this mail. Okay. I said send a Gmail, just we send a mail confirming the meeting. That's all. Okay, so you can see. So I can do that for the event on Thursday. What should be the start and the end times? Also, what should be in the summary and description? And for the email, what should be the subject? So I can just tell you what I want. Maybe it should start by, it should start by 11 a.m. and last for an hour. Okay, for an hour. I'll tell you to generate a description and summary yourself, and summary as the meeting is for how to generate leads, is for leads generation. So I'm not stressing myself. The AI will generate it for me. Leads generation. Generates the subject and body of the email also. That's all I'm telling you. Oh, okay. I think just give me a moment. Let me just make a quick change. And I'm going to do that again. Now you can see. So it has done that. Do you notice that this thing turned green? Do you notice that? If you notice that this thing turned green, give me a thumbs up. Let me bring it down. When I asked it, do you notice it has marked? So that means it has created this event and has sent this Gmail. Okay. So let's go and even look for it. Let's see if truly it has done that. So let me go and open the mail. Where is that my mail itself? Let me go and open the mail. Okay, so now you're going to see the mail it's generated. This is simple. This is like the simplest of the simplest. So this is what, like in the first 1-2 weeks, you will learn this. So it's not, you are not learning anything different. Now look at this. This is it. I did not, did I type this email? I told it to generate an email itself and its topic. You can see. So guys, what do you think? This is a simple work. This is like the snippet, the smallest of the small that you can do. What do you think of this, guys? What do you think? So that's just something small. Nothing. It's not even part of. It's not even part of whatever. Just something small. Okay. Just something small. Just something simple. Something simple. And look at the. In case you've forgotten, don't forget that we also generated. We set up a meeting. You can see lead generation meeting. So what do you think about that, guys? What do you think about this? And by the second week, you would have been building this. By the second week, you would have been building something like this. So this is just like a simple, just something simple, nothing special. This is what by second week you would have been able to do this one. It's not, and I'm not bragging, I'm telling you the fact. By second week, you'll be able to build that thing. What you are saying there. By second week, you build it. Just from this workflow. Just from this workflow. Okay. There are other complex workflows that you can see. Oh. There is one here that it can be very, very complex. So imagine what you can build with something simple as that. So imagine if you can build something with something simple like that, imagine what you can build when you have something like this. Let me show you something. Let me just show you something quickly. I'm going to bring in a particular file. It is not even here. Okay, not this one. Just a minute. Just a simple file. So let me see. I want to look at something. So look at this one. So if I can generate, imagine if I can generate all of that with something simple. This is not even complex. So this is just something like just a bit, a level above. Imagine what I'll be able to do. Okay. Imagine what you'll be able to do with this one. Okay. So this is where all this workflow, this is where, and you can see it's a Google Sheet trigger. Well, you give the person a form, and once they fill the form, the workflow starts working by itself. Once anybody put anything inside the form, the workflow starts working, and that is why it is in high demand. Okay, that's why it is in high demand. So the question now I want to ask is, how many of us are ready to go with me in this journey? You are ready to go with me in this journey. I don't want to waste time. I don't want to waste time going through because of our time. You understand? I don't want us to play around and go through. See, I can continue and go through and tell you the offer value. You can see, lead qualification boards, whatever. You can see all of them. What I've done now, I've saved a lot of time. Instead of me setting up a meeting, sending a Gmail. Do you know how many minutes that thing have saved me? Wait, what we did now, did it save us time? Yes or no, guys? Thumbs up or thumbs down. Did it save us time? You understand? You get? So that is it. I don't want to start running through all of this. We've already seen it. You understand? See, there are a lot of things you can do. YouTube channel management, e-commerce, you can do a lot of things. I just want to show you there are way more complex workflows. There are Telegram workflows, there are WhatsApp workflows there. There are Telegram workflows, there are WhatsApp workflows. You can build, yes, you can automate with WhatsApp, where customers will make requests on their WhatsApp, without even, they will not even talk to you. They will make their requests, you make all the sales, they make payments and all of that. That's it. It's not rocket science. You learn it. Okay. So I don't want to start going over and over and over and over. Okay. So we'll still be talking about all of this when you come, because by the time you want to pitch, when you have learned, when you want to pitch, we still train you how to pitch and all those things. So we train you how to how to send cold mails and all those things. So these are things that you will be learning. Okay, these are things you will be learning. Okay, so we have a lot of success stories, and I don't want to go over and over and over and over and over and over again. Okay, so you can see this probably was a teacher in Cameroon before moving to the US. He even learned as an healthcare data analyst in the US. Okay, and sharp. So we've always helped people with jobs and whatever. So we don't, a lot of them don't even, most of them don't. Most of them don't, they don't have tech experience. Most of our this thing, they don't have tech experience. They don't have tech experience. That's the truth. See, I have students who are making this thing, making waves. Okay. I have the ones that are making money via freelance. I have the ones that are making money via that have been employed. Okay. Our next course starts this Saturday. How many of us are willing to join in? And before I even go into that, okay, why this is up, and I think this is what I'm going to do. Why this is up? How many of us have questions? You have a question, you have something you want to ask me, you have something you feel that I should answer you, please raise a hand. Okay, this is the raise hand icon. Okay, and if you're interested, please give me a thumbs up. You're interested in doing this. You are interested in doing this, give me a thumbs up. And if you have a question, raise a hand. You'll see an icon like this. You'll see an icon. Okay, if you have any question before I even, okay, so raise a hand so that we attend to you. Now, everything I've mentioned, for me to train you and whatever, how much do you think we should charge? We fast tracked it into 2 months. Normally, some people say you should learn it for like 5 months. No, you don't need it. Once you start making money, in fact, I've had students that were already making money. They were already making money before they finish the program. I have students making money before they finish the program. So what do you think? I want you to type in the chat. Otherwise, I will come to you. How much do you think this should be? How much do you think this should be? I just think like maybe 1 or 2 people. 1 or 2 people. Now, it's not a must you also start in June. You can start in July. Okay, so let's say you are planned out for June. You can pay, I don't want to say 1 million. You can pay now and start in July, okay? 350K, okay. What I've just shown you, 350K, okay? Yeah, you can, in fact, you can pay now. I'm going to go through the payment this thing. 350K. So I still want others. If you're interested, how much do you think we should? How much do you even think this should be? How much? Looking at it, how much do you think this should be? Bruce, I want to see you in the chat. Chidiebere, Cynthia, how much do you think it should be? So because either would like it or not, yeah, is when you increase. You can say it in dollars, yeah, Juliet. You can say it in dollars. You can say it in dollars. How much do you think we should charge in dollars? How much do you think we should charge? Okay, I'm listening. Before I go in, because I don't want to open it. $50. Come on, for 2 months. Juliet, really? No, come on. They're $50, okay? But see. Now, basically, the original amount is 250,000, okay? But for the first 20 people to register in this session, we are giving a discounted amount of $150K. That's less than $150. For something that you're learning that can earn you that money or twice of that money before you even finish the program. That can earn you more of that money. Okay, you want my number, okay? So you can also reach out to me on this number, okay? Both WhatsApp and call, or WhatsApp majorly, okay? So don't forget, my name is Caleb. Now, we are giving it out. We are giving it out at just 150,000 naira. And do you know the funniest thing? We are not even saying you should, that immediately that you must pay. We are not saying you should pay the whole 150,000 immediately. We are not even telling you. So I don't know what's the conversion rate to cedis now. I can't remember, but 150K is roughly like $120 thereabout. So Juliet, you can convert to cedis on your end. Okay, that's roughly $120, $125. We are not even saying pay everything now. Okay, we are saying to start, just drop 50K first. Come into the program and see. So that doesn't look like this one to scam you. Just drop 50K. If you have the whole, if you pay at once. Yes, that's why, and that's one of the reasons why we have this 50K. You pay 50K now. In fact, you can pay 50K now, then start in July. Okay, then at the end of July, you pay under 50K. Then at the end of August, you pay the third installment. Okay. So we are not even saying pay the 150K now. No, pay it progressively. If you are still, for those that might still be doubting, I'm hitting my chest. If you are still doubting, don't pay the 150K at once. Pay 50K first. That's all I need from you. Just pay 50K. Come into the, start it first. Start it. I want you to just start it first. Okay? Start it first. So when you start it, nobody will remind you before you pay the rest. Because when you see what you're already doing, nobody will remind you before you pay the rest. And I will have more for you, let me tell you. Now, the first time you register today, we get a free Canada remote job strategy. Okay? We have the one for US, we have the one for UK, but we are giving out this free, that the fact that you registered a loan, you paid 50K a loan, we are going to give you this for free. A free Canada remote job strategy session. A one-on-one session before you start your program. In fact, funny enough, before you even start your program, we would already we'll be having you on portfolio sessions, LinkedIn optimization sessions, CV revamp session. We'll be having you on all those sessions even before you start. That's if you're even starting in July. If you're starting in June, you start this weekend. Okay, so immediately you commit, we put you into our mentorship session where we talk about all of this. Okay, but the first time to register today, we get this a free Canada remote job strategy session. Sharp, one-on-one. You get it. Okay, you get that. Okay. So how many of us are ready? How many of us are ready? How many of us want to join? Yeah, but before I go, if you are ready, please give me a thumbs up. Yes. Adeniko, it covers mentorship. It covers mentorship till you get jobs. Yes. See, I think what people fail to realize is for us, see, what we are giving is more than the money we are collecting from. That's the truth. Except you don't want to be, we don't want to be truthful to ourselves. That's the simple truth. Except you don't want to be truthful, there is way more than the 150K. I bet you. And we are not bragging. It's way more than what we are giving. Okay? It's way more than. So, but our own joy is, let's point to this person and say, we train the person. Okay? We train this person and so-so is working in so-so. We train this person and so-so is working here. We train this person and so-so is working here. In fact, because one of the major reasons is so that we can even have you that we have trained that you have learned here, that you start working, you can have you also mentor others and even bring others into the what? Into the space. We bring people into the space, into the tech industry. And we also have ex-students that are also bringing others in. Okay? That is it. So it's not about, no, we even when, see, we have on the job support, even when you are working, you are building a workflow, I have an issue, you can reach out back to us. We'll attend to you. Emmanuel, so we are starting in the first week of July. Okay, first week of July, that's where we're starting. First week of July. Okay, first week of July. And Daniel, yes, you're going to be getting a certificate. Okay, you are going to be getting a certificate. Okay, no, seriously, I know why Arewa is saying one. Okay, you saw the advert for the jobs on this thing now. You saw the advert for the gigs on what's his name? On on Upwork. You saw the advert for the gigs on Upwork, didn't you? You saw $100. You saw, and these are just jobs that you do within 2-3 days. You saw someone that is looking for someone to employ full time, $1,000 every month. You saw the, or should I open it again? You saw it there. You understand? It is there. Okay? It is there. So once you make payment, we've given you the link to the payment. Please, once you make payment, my number is here. Send me the receipt. Okay? I've added my number here. Okay? Please send me the receipt so that I can book you for the one-on-one session. Send me the receipt. My number is here. Chat me up on WhatsApp. And if you still want further discussion, chat me up on WhatsApp. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm just showing you a bit. That's a snippet of what you can do with the workflow. There's still Zapier workflow there. This is just anything workflow. There's still Zapier there. Just a snippet of what you can do. You understand? So, Oluwadamilare, yeah, Arewa, your hand was up before. Your hand was up before. Do you still want to go? Do you still want to go ahead? Okay. So please, okay, so who are those that, if you are interested in joining, give me a thumbs up first. You are interested in taking it. Okay, so I think Juliet has registered her interest. Ade Damilare has registered. Ajayi, so you still don't feel it. You don't feel it's something that, yeah, Juliet, I know Juliet. Yeah, please go ahead. You can unmute. You can unmute and speak to me. You can. I'm taking questions. Your hand was up. I am, but July, because you're serving and no, this is remote. You are not. It is not this thing. No, you can do it anywhere you are. It's even best you do it now. Damilare, it's best if you can do it now. So that you finish service, you already have a skill. You understand? So you finish service before you even finish the program. You understand? Because of office workload, we are only having classes on Saturdays. Yes, it's the same amount. Okay. But the problem is that we have limited slots available. So even if you know you want to start in July, you can reach out to me so that I can lock down the slots. Okay, because we don't appreciate it when our classes are rowdy. Okay, we don't appreciate when our classes are rowdy. We are giving this as a discounted amount. So we don't appreciate it when our classes are rowdy. Okay, so it's only on Saturdays. You're not doing classes weekdays. It's only some mentorship session and technical support session that you'll be doing at night. And that one is optional. Okay, that one is not compulsory, it's optional. The start of this class is compulsory because we want you, because see, your success is our own success. Okay? Even in that, so Damilare, one of the major reasons that I even want you to even do it now. So that even before you leave that office, you can automate like 1 or 2 of their processes. Let them see it. Let everyone see that thing that you are doing. Okay? So even if you are not willing to continue in that office, show them what you can do. Okay? Show them what you can do. Yes, Arewa, please go ahead. Arewa, you can unmute. And you can also tell me your name. because I know this is not your name. It's probably an alias.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you? Yeah.
Fine, thank you. Caleb, I am 100% interested in this course, and I'm a student. I just graduated. I'm even waiting for service. They've not
Okay.
called me off. Our call-off letter is not up yet. In fact, they've not even mobilized.
Okay.
Fact, but this course is what that 1 million naira have been saying. Honestly, to be frankly speaking, but the funniest thing is that I am not financially buoyant now, and I want to personally message you. I want to talk to you
Yeah,
personally.
please. Yeah, please.
I don't
Message
want...
me personally, please.
All right, no problem, sir.
You send me a personal message. You look for a way around it, okay?
All right, thank you very much.
Send me a personal message, okay?
And thumbs up for the great job you're doing.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. Okay, please, you can also message me personally if you still want us, okay? Because the truth is, either I like it or not, 150K for value, for something that, oh, Daniel, you said, Daniel, you can unmute. You are a student and you're in 211, you're in AI, you're in AI engineering. I want to know what you do there. Quickly, so that we don't, it's late, so that I want us to be, this thing. So Daniel, are you with me? Are you with me? Daniel, you don't want to be making money while you are in school. You don't want to be making money while you are still in school. So you can just look for one or two uncles or daddies. They will just, at least you break it down for them so that they can help you. You understand? Okay, you break the money down, because this opportunity comes very soon. We'll go back to our original amount of 250K. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Well, reach out to me. That's what I'm saying. Register. Okay, yes, so that you can be making money and you can be achieving while you're still in school. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. Oh, the tuition fee, Rogan, it is just 150K. Just 150K. The link is here. Please, the link is here. It's just 150K. Sharp. Something that you can start making money before you even what's his name? Before you even get to it. Yeah, 150K, yes. 150K. In fact, you can pay the 150K at once. You can pay 50K and start this weekend, okay? Or you can pay the 150K now and still even start in July. Whichever, your choice. Okay. So please, my number is here. So once you've made payment, send me the receipt. Okay. Yes, although we'll confirm it, we'll send you a mail. Send me the receipt. You got my number in the chat, Valley. Valley. Did you? You got my number in the chat. Oh yes, please reach out to me. Have you gotten my number in the chat? Rogan, you can unmute and speak to me. Have you gotten my number in the chat? Are you with me, Rogan? So you can unmute and speak, Rogan, okay? You can unmute. Okay, so, let me just, okay, don't worry. I'll send you an I now, okay? I'll send you an I now. Whoa. I'd like to discuss this number. Who is sending me this number? I'm not sure. I think you are sending the number you saw here. Okay. Oh, yeah, you can send a receipt to that number and you can, okay, I just got you. You can send a receipt to that number. You can also send the receipt to my number. Okay. I've pasted my number multiple times here. You can send the receipt to my number. Okay. You can also send the receipt to my number. You send it to that number, you can send it to my number. Okay. Yeah. So Daniel, reach out to me on WhatsApp. Okay. So that we can find the way. Because usually the best time, one of the best times you can do this now is now that you're a student. Okay, so that at least you can ease up. By the time you start making money. Oh, that's WhatsApp. WhatsApp. The number I give to you, Valley. Okay. So that by the time you start, you can start making money. You can ease the stress on your people. Okay. And also you can make money to be financially independent yourself. Okay. So that is one thing that I want you to do. So once you make payments, you send receipt to that number that was in the listing, and you can also send receipt to my number. Okay. Ajayi, I didn't hear from you. Bruce. Bruce, you've been a bit quiet. Can you hear me, Bruce? Are you with me? Bruce, are you with me? You can unmute and speak to me. You can unmute and speak to me. Yeah, Valley, you can reach out to me. It's see, it is not cliche. I showed you how it works. Okay. I've shown you how it works. So it's not like I'm giving you something that doesn't work. Okay. It's not like I'm giving you something that doesn't work. So I'm not giving you something that's not working. Okay. Yeah. So you can speak to me privately. Okay. Yeah. Speak to me privately. Yes. Okay. So okay. So Bruce, I've not heard from you. Ajayi, I've not heard from you. Okay. Bruce, I've not heard from you. Ajayi. Ayobami, can you hear me? Ayobami, if you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Ayobami, if you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Ajayi Ifeoluwa, you can also hear me, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Ajayi, so what's the hold up? What do you think? I want to hear from you. You can unmute. If you can speak where you are. Okay. Oh, you reach out to me. Good. Ayobami, what about you? You can unmute and speak to me. You can unmute and speak to me. The money is C. Yes, I'm with you.
Good evening, sir. Thanks so
good
much.
Evening.
Take your time. It's a very interesting stuff, and I'm also interested. But
okay.
just the issue is just I just need to sort out to raise the money. But another question that I want to also ask, I'm planning to even chat to you on your DM, is that is it a class or something that is online, because I stay in Ibadan?
No, it's virtual. It's virtual. You're not coming down anywhere. See, we have students in the US. I have students in Canada. I have students in the UK. I have students in Kenya. So it's virtual because see, we're a global industry, okay? We're a global industry. So we want to be able to have everybody, and everybody should come and mix together, because once you're in a cohort, it's like a family, okay? You have a group of people that you work together with. So it's not only you working with your instructor, you're also working with your fellow learners. And funny enough, there are some people that they have some kind of connect and if you're good enough and you sync enough with them, you guys might just have something to build together. So is another way to also meet people. Okay, it's another way to meet people. Apart from you learning, you also meet people that you guys can grow together, people that might have something that you need and you might have something that they need, and you guys can do business together. So I also, that's why I also tell you that it's also an avenue for you to meet people, not just learn, to also meet people and develop yourself, and also meet industry experts. So you're not just meeting people. So let's assume that you're in my class. I'm the one taking you. You're not just meeting me, who is an industry expert. You're also meeting others in your mentorship session. In several minutes, you'll be meeting different people, different instructors, different industry experts. Okay, you'll be meeting them. They'll be speaking to you. You'll be getting their direct contacts. So you are not just paying for the class alone. You're also paying for the network. Okay, so I think that's one thing we also need to look at it from. Are you with me, Ayobami?
Yes, I am.
So
please. Tomorrow, I can chat you tomorrow, right? Or call you.
Yeah, please chat me up. Yeah, please chat me up, okay? Please chat me up. Okay.
Chat you tomorrow.
I'll chat me up in the evening. Okay.
Okay.
Just send me a chat. I will respond. Yes.
What time? What
I will
time?
respond. Let's say 6, 7.
Okay.
But even
I
if you
will.
chat me up in the afternoon and I'm with my phone now, if I'm with my phone, I will respond. Okay. So
Yeah,
don't worry about that.
I will do that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome. If I'm waiting for you also. If how are you? Ajayi, you don't want to speak to me? You and Bruce. Or will you just chat to me you chat with me privately? My number is in the chat box, okay? You can just chat with me privately in case, okay? Emmanuel, can you hear me? You can give me a thumbs up. Emmanuel, if you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. Emmanuel Tessin, if you are with us, if you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. This is a thumbs up. You see something like an icon, a thumbs up, okay? Yeah, Olubenga, how are you? Okay, okay. Emmanuel, so what is the issue? Is it that you're not interested in it? Is it that you don't feel this is what you need at this period? Can I know what the problem is? Okay, or is it that you chat me privately? How do you want us to do it? Or you can tell me here. You can tell me here. I'm with you.
Oh,
I'm all here.
I'm interested, but I'm looking at starting somewhere in July, but I would have to look at my schedules in July to know if I can actually do that, because I have holidays in August. So I don't know if there is going to be a cohort in August. If there is going to be a cohort in August, that would be the best for me.
Okay, Emmanuel, yeah, thank you for that. But one thing you need to realize is this. There's a reason why we structured our classes in such a way that it doesn't interfere with weekdays, okay? It's because even as you're working, you can also be learning, okay? Even as you're working, you can be learning. So even if you want to start in July, okay, you can reach out to me. My number is there, okay? You can still just lock in your slot because we have, now you can see almost like 3-4 people already asking for July. So we have other sessions that there are people that, in fact, some people have already paid for July. We have millions of people that have paid for July, and there's the limitations to how many we're taking. Okay, so you can reach out privately to me. Okay.
All right.
So because, it's only on Saturday.
The problem is that I also have some commitments on weekends in July. That is why. So I would have to actually look at my schedules.
August.
Yeah, because I just closed from work. I'm on my way home, so when I get home, I would have to.
Okay. Okay. So please send me a private message, okay?
All right.
Yeah, please, we can talk about it, okay? Yes, okay. Thank you for that. Olubenga, how are you? Olubenga. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So don't worry. Once I know that by the time you finish it, you should have started making money. The money that you used to pay for AI, I think you would have made the money for AI automation. But well, it is what it is. So guys, thank you for being in this session. Please, whenever you make payment, please send the receipt to that number, or you can send it to my number. And if if there's anything you need to talk to me about, please reach out to me. Okay. So please, I think that will be that about that. Thank you for your time. Okay, it's been a pleasure. I hope this has not been a waste of your time. Thank you for your time. We really appreciate the time you have given to us. We understand, and we thank you for staying up with us, for listening to us, and good night. Have a good night rest. Bye, guys.